Hello everybody, we're here last day in Manoa, Aloha from Honolulu, actually Manoa, not Honolulu. Doing a little food excursion here. We have some crab cake, some Namasu, put some potato mac salad with it. Some kimchi, what else is in there? Pork hash. It's gonna be a good party. Anyway, yeah. There's some. Hi, you guys. Here's some parrots. Hi, guys. Hello. Hi. Yes, hello. And here, I hope you can see this. Here's the Buddhist temple. See that rooftop right there? There's, they do bondance down there. Bondance down in the courtyard area. It's really big. There's another structure of it. This gorgeous day. Those are great houses up there. Here in Manoa Valley. Beautiful. We got flowers. It's a party.
Stay right here.
Talk to you soon.